Hello. So we have a big unboxing again. It's just one, but it's a big painting. This one is actually another drawing that I made. It's from Supergirl, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I made this one a while ago. The picture, and yeah, I wanted to do this one in a painting as well. I want to make all my pictures in paintings, but I have too many, so I have to make a selection. I might do another one of a custom one, because I have different paintings. Maybe I am going to show you which one I mean. Don't mind my tablet because it's broken. I let it fall a while ago, and yeah. Let me see if I can find it. The pictures that I want, because like this is also something I make, but the black, I really love the picture, but all the black is not, no, it's not for me. But I really love it. Where is it? So this one is also already one that I did. And I going to put it right there so you can see the entire thing. Oh, you cannot see that. So that's basically one that I already made in a painting and already completed it. This one was a 70 by 100, if I'm not mistaken. I really love that one. Yeah, but it's not that one that I wanted to show you. Yeah, I have so many pictures on here. I should do like a selection or something like that. Like this is also one that I made, but with all the details. It would be too big, I think. And oh yeah, it's this one. I found it. So it's this painting that it's in here. So that one is a custom. And I wanted to try to find the other ones, which I wanted to do also. So this one I'm also did in a diamond painting, but I will have to order it again, but because I ordered that one with Hurricane a really long time ago, and they had a really bad drill problem, and yeah, I was one of the people that had that problem. So I had done maybe more than half of it. I just have to complete this part of the painting, and I am not going to do that because those drills are horrible. I might try to use some in my inventory, in my stash, but yeah, that one is just horrible to do. But where is my other one? I thought I had another one. So this is also one that I did. I also want to do this one in a painting, but then in color, because I do that in two colors. I do it in black and white, and I do it in one color, like this one. This one I only did in one color, not in black and white, but I could do that in black and white. But as you can see, with all those little gaps, you really need to go really big. But I want to try that. So yeah, maybe I am going to try it. I don't know. But yeah. Yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you. I don't think there was another one. No, I don't think that. So I'm going to put that aside. So yeah, I have a couple of ones that I still want to do, but I am still in the I don't know if I will, because of the details. I might try just one and see if it works. And if it works, I can still order more of Aroma paintings. Oh yeah, I am going to, I think it will go like this. So that's the box. Yeah, my name is on there. So you see, that's my name. Let's see if I can open this thing. Where is the opening? Did they? Oh, they taped it. Yeah, that is not going to work if I will try to open it and it's taped. So let's see. Yeah, it's another big one. So I'm gonna leave the box there. So it's a 70 by 90, which I thought it would, and it seems like it has a lot of colors. Whoa, that's big. That's bigger than I thought. So we have the toolkit with some baggies, a wax, a tray, and some multi-placers. I think they did that because it's a big painting. So many drills. But this is the picture again. I don't know how many colors there are, but look how many drills. Look how many drills. Oh, it seems like 310 has only 94. I'm going to take that out in a second, but I really want to see that picture. I am really so excited to see it. And it's also, how to say, because it's a special one that looks much bigger than I thought. I even cannot put it on. That's the half of it. Where is the half? There's the half. And of course, now he's going to be. Yeah, I hope he will focus once I open this thing. Just hope that it looks okay. Okay. Oh no, this one is under there. Oh, how am I going to do this? I'll be forced to do this one as first. Yeah, that is not going to be pleasant to open. Huh? So I will have to do this one in parts because yeah, my table is. I will try to open this. No, I cannot open that further. Yeah, I will have to try to yeah, be careful because the other one is under there. So yeah, and her head is cut off. I don't know if it was, but I will have to check that. But it's not a big of a deal, but yeah. So I am trying to be careful. Yeah, and there's, I see one little river here. Yeah, please focus. So we have her head, which is amazing. Well, I cannot wait to start this one. I know I say that with every painting, but yeah, this one is one of mine, so my original drawings, I mean. So it's always special to me, like that. So yeah, I'm going. There's a lot of blue, which is normal because her, not her dress, but her costume is blue. So yeah, I'll have to do this one like in maybe 2 or 3 parts to show you. Where is my little friend here? Because I don't want to have any bubbles on there. And oh wait, I can see you. Bubbles. Air bubbles. It's not that it can hurt the painting, but I just don't like it when it comes with the bubbles. Yeah, and yeah, I'll have some problem for this one. I am going to put it like this for a while, for just now, just to have a flat surface. Sorry for the noise. So let's try to do the other side. I'll have to do it like this because yeah, I think it's bigger than 70 by 90. It looks much bigger. I don't know, but it does look bigger than I am going to measure this because it looks, I don't know why, but it does look bigger. Oh no, it's 70, but it does look much higher than 90. I don't know. So let's try to do the other. I will have to do this the other side because yeah, it's not possible in the other way. And let's be careful. Yeah, I will have to try to look for another way to make the videos because not another way, but I mean for my cell phone to record the videos. The other side is not that excited, but to me it is. I want to see how it looks. Yeah, here there's a lot of blocks of color. So this one is, even with the size, it's going to be fast. I don't know, there's a lot of color in there, but and it doesn't want to go up. Yeah, there we go. So that's the other side, and you cannot see that. I am going to be careful. No. Stick on my canvas. Okay, that's okay. Nothing happened. So that's the other part of the painting. Yeah, I'm so happy. It's really sticky, as you can see. Yeah, it's sticky. The entire canvas comes with it, so yeah, I'm so happy. No, I could have chosen a smaller size, but because there's nothing to compare with from other painters, I chose to do the bigger one because I really wanted to have as much details as I can in her face, because that's really important. And there's a bubble in there. Can I get it out? The other side. There you go. Maybe I could like. Oh no, that was the wrong side. Yeah, with big pieces you have always trouble. I am going to turn it because yeah, maybe that is going to be better. Yeah, I am going to put it on there just to make it easier for myself, I hope. Yeah, it's because it's so big, and I am going to deal with the bubbles later. I'm just going to, but yeah, that's a really big one. It's going to be it's going to keep me busy for a while, I hope, because with one color blocks, it does go fast, especially with multi-placers. And since it's a square, I think it will go be beautiful. Okay, that's the canvas, which is so big. I am going to roll it up because I just want to show you the drills. I'm going to put it here for just a second. go. I want to look at the paper. I am not going to take the drills out because no, I will not be able to put that back. But I will take the inventory sheets so we can look at that. And they tape it all around. So tape. Need to look for the tape. So that's a lot of drills. So I am curious to see how many drills there are, or how many colors I mean. So what's the most of it? 68. No, 94. It's still black. Yeah, it's black is still the highest. So that's my inventory sheet. I thought it would be the background color, but no, it's still black. Black is still the biggest one. Yeah. 18,000. Yeah. So how many colors do we have? $39. So that's okay. Yeah, I love it. So again, that's the picture to show you the entire one. If you want to focus, would be awesome. Yeah, but you saw I already showed you a picture on my laptop. So yeah, I can try to show you the colors like this a bit, but yeah, I am not going to take them out because no, that's a no-no, especially with this one. There's just too many. So yeah, yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. Yeah, so like I said, that's an original painting, so I cannot link it anywhere because it's a custom one. I really I really love that one. But there are still going to be more custom ones of my original drawings. I am not sure if I will try to do like a mandala one. I have many mandalas that I did in the past and I still do, but I just don't want to do like a picture with all black. I don't want to do that. That's just too much black. But I will definitely do more original drawings, like the one that I showed you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I don't know why my camera is being so difficult right now. Yeah. So yeah, if you have any requests or suggestions, just leave it down below. I will answer them as quick as possible. It is sometimes difficult to answer them because I am not sometimes I do not see them on my phone. I really have to go on my computer. I don't really go really much on my computer, but when I click on the video, then I see the comments, so that's a little bit annoying. But if I see the reaction, I will answer them as quick as possible. So if you have any suggestions or comments or questions, just put it down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, have a great day, night or evening, depending on where you are and when you watch this video. So yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.